Hey there, Eric Holmlund here with a brand new web traffic getting application that is going to help you drive traffic to your business, plus allow you to make money with your own agency. I'm not going to insult your intelligence by taking the time to explain why you need web traffic. I mean, every online business needs it, right? Web traffic is the only way to generate leads and sales to make money online. If you're watching this right now, you know you need web traffic. You know you want it. The only question is how to get it or how to get more of it, right? Well, TrafficCloud is a web-based software application that allows you to get web traffic for any niche with no technical skills, no paying for clicks, no time-consuming SEO, no hiring a social media manager, no video creation. Imagine being able to send web traffic anywhere you want with just 3 simple steps. This is 100% newbie friendly, and because it's cloud-based, anyone can use it anywhere in the world. You can send the traffic to your own products, to your affiliate links, or to your clients' websites, because we're also offering an agency license today. So not only does this tool give you the opportunity to generate income by driving traffic to your own business, it also gives you the opportunity to create your own profitable agency, driving traffic for the millions of small businesses who need help with this. Many small businesses spend thousands of dollars on marketing-related costs each and every month. This is something that they are planning on spending money on. In many cases, you could charge $500 or even up to $5,000 for the kind of services that you can now provide by using TrafficCloud. And look, you don't have to go buy some retail space and set up shop. You don't even have to buy a new computer. You don't even have to buy some fancy or expensive software. With TrafficCloud, you can literally be up and running in a matter of minutes. Yes, you can have your own agency. You can begin immediately, and you get to keep all the money you make. TrafficCloud doesn't charge any royalties or ongoing fees. That sounds awesome, right? The big question you might be wondering now is, how does it work? Well, I'm glad you asked because I'd love to explain it for you. TrafficCloud gets web traffic from social media sites. It does that by creating engaging visual posts. Those posts act as traffic magnets that get clicks. And remember, you can send those clicks anywhere you want. There's no limit to the number of posts that you can make or the amount of traffic that you can get. You can use it over and over to scale up your traffic and earnings. Finally, you can solve your traffic problems by getting free web traffic on demand. Who else wants free web traffic on demand? I know I do. So here's how it works in 3 easy steps. Step 1, create a post using TrafficCloud. There are absolutely no technical or design skills required. TrafficCloud is connected to a library of over 2 billion media assets, which you can search by keyword. You can then customize those images with your own text or call to action using the built-in point-and-click editor. Step 2, add your link. Again, you can send the clicks anywhere. It could be your own site, an affiliate link, or your client's website if you're running an agency. Each post will be clickable, so you can take traffic directly from the social platforms to the link of your choice. And step 3, publish it. With 1 click, you can publish to 3 platforms at the same time. We chose to focus on some of the high traffic platforms that are often overlooked by marketers these days, specifically LinkedIn, Twitter, and Blogger. While most marketers are focusing only on Facebook and Instagram, these other platforms are less competitive while driving massive amounts of traffic. LinkedIn has 303 million active monthly users. And the thing you have to realize about LinkedIn is that it's a higher quality traffic source. Unlike some of the other social sites, LinkedIn has a business focus and is filled with real people. TrafficCloud is utilizing LinkedIn in a way that most people are not. by creating visual posts that are 5 times more likely to get people's attention. Now, we all know about Twitter. It has 145 million active daily users. A lot of marketers abandoned it years ago when it seemed like it was going out of style. But its users have remained faithful, and it's proven that it's here to stay. That's why it's the top platform for many politicians and news agencies. They know it's the quickest way to get their message out and have it seen by millions of people in real time. Well, TrafficCloud taps into this source of live traffic by creating engaging posts that are more likely to get clicks. Blogger is another platform that's been around a long time, but is often overlooked by marketers. The fact is that it's used by over 1 million websites worldwide, and it's owned by Google. Blogger is like a back door for getting traffic from Google, and that's what TrafficCloud is designed to do. How much money can you make with this? Well, that's a question I can't answer because I don't know what you're going to do with it. So you tell me, how much money can you make with a tool that drives free traffic? How much do you make from a sale of your product or service? If you're an affiliate, how much commission can you make from what you're promoting? I'll say this, you can probably make enough money from one sale of your own product or from one affiliate commission to make your investment in TrafficCloud worthwhile. And you can use TrafficCloud over and over and over again to send free web traffic to any link that you choose. And then you've got the agency license. You've probably heard of a social media manager. Maybe you've even hired one before. And if so, you know that they're not cheap. Social media managers often charge in the range of $75 an hour to $200 an hour for their services. That means you could be making hundreds or even thousands of dollars a day as a social media manager while using TrafficCloud to do most of the work for you. There are millions of small businesses, 30 million in the United States alone. Those businesses need help getting web traffic, and they're willing to pay for it. They're already spending thousands of dollars a month on advertising, so they're happy to pay you to generate traffic for them. You know, it only takes $275 a day to create a 6-figure income. And when you look at it that way, you can see that it's very possible to generate a 6-figure income as a social media manager. And you can do the work of a social media manager by using TrafficCloud, even if you have no prior experience. Now, think about all of the places that you can send web traffic with TrafficCloud. You can send it to squeeze pages for list building, webinar registration pages, info product sales pages to sell your digital products, e-commerce stores to sell physical products, app download pages, freelancer profiles to get more gigs, auction sites to increase the bidding on your auctions, blogs to increase readership of your blog, podcasts to increase listeners of your podcast, social media pages to grow your following, websites for offline or local businesses, and business listings to get phone calls or traffic for offline businesses. You can also send it to affiliate links or CPA offers or anywhere else you want. Now, maybe you're wondering, how is this going to work if a lot of people are using TrafficCloud? I mean, won't they be posting the same content? Well, the answer is no, absolutely not. You'll be posting unique content because the options are limitless. You'll have access to over 2 billion, yes, that's billion with a B, 2 billion image assets. That's more than any of us can use in a lifetime. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Each post that you make will be customized with your own text. Plus, we have many other customization options within TrafficCloud for different colors, fonts, sizes, backgrounds, and more. In other words, no matter how many people use TrafficCloud, you'll be generating traffic with unique content. Now, I know someone's thinking, wow, that's a powerful tool. So powerful, in fact, that won't some people abuse it and ruin it for everyone? You know, I've seen that happen time and time again over the years with most new traffic tools that come onto the market. Well, we thought of that and we created a system that is going to eliminate that from happening. As someone who's been doing internet marketing for over 20 years, it's one of the things that I personally like best about TrafficCloud. All right, now, this is a little technical, so don't worry about it if you're not into the tech side of software. But for those who are, we designed TrafficCloud to use individual API access for each and every TrafficCloud member. So if someone did something stupid like posting inappropriate or illegal content, they would only get themselves banned and no one else. Now again, coming from someone who's been doing this for 20 plus years, this is huge. Okay, this is going to set this apart from other automation tools because it's going to keep this one working for a long time. You know, it'll take you a few minutes to set up your API access for each of the social platforms, and we have tutorials showing you exactly how to do that. And then once you've done that, you're set. Okay, so it's an extra few minutes of work up front, but it's going to pay off big time. And again, the reason you have to take that extra step is because compared to most of the so-called one-click traffic software programs that you may have seen, this one has a system in place to make sure that it actually works. And if you run into any problems with it, our support team will be there to help you. If you're ready to put the TrafficCloud to work for your business, go ahead and click the order button below this video. You can choose between personal rights or agency rights. And as I've explained, the agency rights is a huge opportunity for you to use TrafficCloud for clients. So you can make money as a marketing agency or as a social media manager. The price is incredibly low. You could spend this much on just one stock photo on a popular stock photo site. And TrafficCloud gives you access to over 2 billion images. You can use it over and over again, so the value is obvious. Right now, you can grab it during our launch special for an amazing low price. So click the order button below to gain immediate access to the TrafficCloud. Now, in case you're new to this whole concept of internet marketing and getting web traffic, maybe you're wondering, why is this such a good method? Well, I'm glad you asked. As humans, our eyes are naturally drawn to engaging visual images. It's been shown that posts that include images produce 650% higher engagement than text-only posts. So if you want to capture the attention of your prospects, you need engaging visuals. TrafficCloud is designed to do exactly that. We also know that it's been proven that effective images increase sales conversions. There's a phrase, words tell but pictures sell. That's why I always use pictures in virtually all of my marketing messages and on all my sales pages and my sales videos and on all of my social media pages. So if you want to make more sales, you need engaging graphics. We also know that images are one of the biggest web traffic magnets on the internet. Google Images added a visit site button for every image. So image traffic is now going to your website, not just hot linking to the image file. And this is not some obscure feature, okay? In fact, it's one of the single biggest traffic sources on the internet. A recent study showed that 22.6% of all Google searches were for images. And guess what? One of the platforms that TrafficCloud posts to is Blogger, and Google owns Blogger. Images on Blogger get indexed by Google, and they show up in Google's image search results. And Google's visit site button works in your favor. Instead of taking the visitor to your image file by itself, they take the visitor to a blog page where your image is posted, which means that the visitor will then be presented with your link. And again, you can link to anything and send that traffic anywhere you want. So search engine traffic from images is huge. One site reported an increase of over 600,000 visitors a month since Google made this change. So yes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but on the internet, it can also be worth hundreds of thousands of website visitors. And then, of course, beyond the search traffic, the main source of traffic you'll be getting from this method is direct click-throughs from those social media posts. So if you want more web traffic, again, you need engaging graphics. And that's what TrafficCloud will do for you. Not only does it allow you to create those graphics with no design skills whatsoever, it then saves you a lot of time by posting them to multiple social platforms all at once. Without TrafficCloud working for you, this traffic method would take a lot of time and probably cost a lot of money. Consider the cost of just licensing stock photography. Look at the prices on some popular stock photo sites. Sure, you could buy a few photos, but what if you want to keep your audience engaged with hundreds of eye-catching images? That would cost thousands of dollars. And yes, you could find public domain images, but that takes a lot of time and effort too. And it can be hard to know what's really in the public domain and what kind of attribution you need to provide. With TrafficCloud, that problem is solved. You'll have millions, and in fact, billions of royalty-free images available that you can search with any keyword. You can also upload and use any image that you already have. Next, you could buy some graphics software and learn how to use it. All right, that's going to take both time and money. And again, TrafficCloud solves that problem by giving you a simple interface that allows you to create these campaigns with no experience or skills needed. Now, you could outsource the design and have a freelancer create your engaging visuals for you. But have you seen the cost of hiring a graphic designer? You would be spending hundreds of dollars a day on the work that TrafficCloud can do for you. The same can be said for the actual publishing of your campaigns. You could hire a social media manager for hundreds of dollars to do the same work that TrafficCloud can do for you with a couple of clicks. When you look at the value of everything that you're getting with the TrafficCloud, you can see that the value is massive. It's almost comical. We're talking thousands and thousands of dollars. But you can grab it today for an absolutely tiny price during this launch special. So go ahead and choose one of the two options below this video. You can choose between personal rights or agency rights. And as I've explained, the agency rights is a huge opportunity for you to use TrafficCloud for clients, so you can make money as a marketing agency or a social media manager. We could easily be charging $997 for this agency license because think about it. You could make that much or more from one client. You could make that much in one day as an agency or a social media manager, and yet we're letting you grab that license for a tiny price today. So go ahead and click one of the order buttons below this video. As you've already seen, TrafficCloud is going to save you a lot of time and money while providing you with a powerful web traffic source for your business. And again, perhaps the best part is that you can also use it to generate income as your own agency. This is a huge opportunity because there are millions of businesses out there actively looking to pay money for web traffic and for content to engage their social media audience. You could look at some of the well-known freelancing sites and find that there are thousands of businesses looking for help with these things. Even on a micro freelancer site like Fiverr, you'll find designers charging hundreds of dollars for social media marketing services like this. Here's an example on Fiverr of someone offering to create content for social media, and their prices start at $1,290. That's on Fiverr. Now you can be making those kind of earnings on a regular basis by tapping into this huge market. And you don't have to be a professional designer. You don't have to have a university art degree. In fact, you don't even have to know how to use any graphics software. TrafficCloud makes it easy for anyone to utilize billions of image assets and quickly create customized, engaging graphics. Many businesses spend thousands of dollars on marketing-related costs each and every month. This is something that they're planning on spending money on. That's why you could charge $500 or even up to $5,000 for these kind of social media marketing services. And look, you don't have to go buy some retail space and set up shop. You don't even have to buy a new computer, all right? You don't have to buy any fancy software. With TrafficCloud, you can literally be up and running in a matter of minutes. Again, yes, you can have your own agency. You can begin immediately. You get to keep all the money you make. TrafficCloud doesn't charge you any royalties or ongoing fees. We probably should charge more because we could, but right now we're letting you have TrafficCloud with a full agency license for a crazy low price. So whether you plan to use the agency license to create a new income stream or just use TrafficCloud for your own business, be sure to grab it now before we change our minds and turn it into a monthly membership. By grabbing it today during our launch special, you'll be getting in for the lowest price ever, and you'll have no monthly fees. As if all of that wasn't enough, we're even including a 30-day money-back guarantee on this. So now you've got nothing to risk. Absolutely nothing. With as many assets and features that you're getting with TrafficCloud, we're 100% confident that you're going to consider it the best investment you've made in your business. If you don't think so, all right, if you don't see the value in it, then just ask us for a refund within 30 days and we'll refund your purchase in full. Now, if you use it for just one project for your business, it's more than paid for itself. And this is something that you can use over and over with an unlimited license. So go ahead and grab this offer to gain access immediately. In addition to getting traffic for your own business, this is your ticket to potentially have your own six-figure agency, and you can start in a matter of minutes. With TrafficCloud, it's impossible not to save time and money. If you simply use it even once, you're saving money. And again, you can use it over and over again. And even use it for your clients, which means the savings are limitless and your potential earnings as an agency are limitless too. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and grab it now. You've got absolutely nothing to lose and unlimited web traffic and agency opportunities to gain. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and read the information on this page. But if you've watched this far, you know that this is the deal of a lifetime. You'll also see a timer on this page, and when it counts down to 0, the price will be going up big time, so don't wait. In fact, there's a good chance that we'll be switching over to a monthly subscription plan in the future, so get in now for a tiny one-time price. Go ahead and grab it now, and we'll see you on the inside.